Good morning. It is 8:40 in the morning, and my wonderful, wonderful woman brought home pizza for breakfast. Pizza for breakfast. Two pizzas for breakfast. Thank you, woman.
Welcome.
Hey, everybody. Have a good day. You're good at riding a bike.
You can open that.
No, you don't. I don't need to open that whole dumpster for you to throw away one can. Just throw it. Anyway.
So the peanut can, I was trying to throw it away.
Yeah, you just don't have a very good aim, honey. That's all. Hey, this is Matt with Low Cash Homestead. So we're back up in the front in another one of our little orchard areas where we had to stop working and all those trees that I showed you that I got from the conservation department. We're gonna start trying to put some of those back in up here. I think we're gonna do probably about another 5 or 6, and then we're gonna move to over where I put those apples for the another phase of the food forest, I should say. This is Matt with Low Cash Homestead. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Hey everybody, this is Matt with Low Cash Homestead. So we're gonna plant those trees and those columnar apples. And so we're gonna make a hole right here. And I'm gonna start the hole with something you're not really supposed to use for a hole, but the Mantis. The Mantis came back just maybe like an hour ago. We had to go pick it up. So just to test it and see how well she works, I'm gonna start cutting it in the ground here where we're gonna plant the tree. Hold on. Okay, she's running. Starting to tug a little bit. I let them warm up on their own. I don't rev them or anything. Let's switch up. Oh, okay. So she's not ready yet. We'll try it again. Okay, she's raring to go now. Kind of wants to start walking on me. I'm gonna cut a hole here with it. We're gonna start our apple tree hole with our little Mantis. Why not? We just got it back. I want to see how well she works. Okay, so we just dug a good chunk of the hole with the Mantis, just like kind of turning it around in circles. So we're gonna put the tree in there and see if we need to do anything else to the hole. Alright, I know this is loud, but when it comes to 2-cycle stuff, I don't rev it. I just kind of let it warm up on its own. Particularly this thing, it's a little bit finicky, and I just spent 70 bucks to have it repaired. I don't want to have it repaired again for a little while. I'm hoping that it will hold out until most of our projects are done. And we'll kind of see how it goes. Hey everybody, Matt with Low Cash Homestead. So this is one of the trenches that we cut to plant our other food forest trees in. So it does kind of run downhill with the ground, and that's going to allow the water as it runs down the hill to kind of get down into the trees. Now the way that we cut this is we took our little Mantis and pulled it down the hill, then we turned it around and pulled it up the hill, and then we turned it kind of this way and worked it down, and then we turned it this way and worked it down. And of course, you know, with those Mantis and those little mini tillers, you pull them. They don't drive forward, they actually run backwards. And then this one here, I got a little bit of it done, but then I ran out of 2-cycle fuel. And by the time I had gotten the 2-cycle fuel, it was time to go pick the kids up from gardening club. I get the rest of groceries for dinner and all that stuff. So I did not get this one finished. But we're going to try the next day or two to get that finished so we can get the rest of those little trees in here. It's Matt with Low Cash Homestead. Thank you very much. Have a good night.